Let your love to shower me, just rain on me. Your love just follow me.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping in, you guys. This is a bomb, and I mean bomb, human hair wig review, y'all. This one playing no games and it's perfect for the freaking season right now. Like, I'm just loving this one. I'm loving the color, the length, everything about this one. Okay, so if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that your girl posts. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this wig, you guys. This one is a banger. Okay, this is from UNice hair, you guys. This is their 13x4 Kinky straight reddish brown unit. I got the specs here that I'm looking at. It's 13x4. It's Kinky straight. It says it's 4C hair and 150% density. I have this in the reddish brown color. It also comes in natural black if you guys like the black. I have this in these the 24 inches, you guys. So this is 24 inches long. Definitely true to length. Now they go up to 30 if you want it like down your back, okay? But this 24 is good for me, okay? It's almost hitting that 26 mark, you know what I'm saying? So this one is bomb, you guys. For this exact unit, it is $315.02. I do think they have some discount codes. Of course, I'll leave that down below in the description box. I do want to note that the knots did not come plucked on this one. Yeah, you will have to bleach the knots for a more natural look. But you don't necessarily need to, okay? But I'm just throwing that out there that I did. Also, the hairline is very pre-plucked, natural. I decided not to do any baby hairs on this. I just kind of did like a kind of messy look, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like with kinky hair, like you don't really need the, you know, the waves and the swoops and all that. You don't need that, girl. My only con with this unit is that it doesn't hold a curl. I did go in with a large barrel curling iron and I like curled it and hairsprayed it, and it dropped in like 30 minutes. So I even straightened this hair before I curled it because I know normally that's what my issue is. You have to straighten the hair first and then curl it. But yeah, it just was like, ooh, or whatever. But it wasn't bad, okay? Like it gave what it needed to give. I also liked it. I also like this hair in this little style. You can't go wrong with a half up, half down, baby. Like, it's giving. You guys, this hair is super soft. The color job is bomb. Like, it's the reddish brown from the root to the rooter to the tutor, okay? And yeah, I really like this. The lace, I think, is HD Swiss lace, so it blends in very well. I do have one more con about this unit, is that the lace is very small. If you can kind of see, my edges are out over here and over here. Like it just needed to come down like one more little inch and we would have been good. But maybe the next time I'll install it, I'll pull it forward more. But I was just saying that the lace is kind of too small on this one, but it's okay because it's still a look, it's still a vibe, it's still gonna do what it's gonna do. But y'all, I love this unit. The hair is bomb. Like, the hair is soft. I just love this hair, and you can't tell me nothing right now. You can't tell me anything right now. Let me get that off my neck. But like I said, all my reviews is gonna be short and sweet to the point. It's either I like it or I don't, and then I'm gonna show y'all the tutorial, of course, on how I installed it, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments box. Do you guys like this hair like I do? Because baby, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself, okay? Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.